The vehicle consists of many parts, each of which can be used. For example, the frame and wheels will make interesting and functional pieces of furniture. Some ideas for use of bicycle parts. A table on wheels. The product will turn out to be low, but quite roomy, so that it can be used both for everyday meals and for special occasions. Fencing for the garden. A light and airy fence on the side can be built from bicycle wheels. Such a fence is strong and of considerable height, but does not block the view of the landscape. Flower beds made of wheels. Such products can be vertical or horizontal. Dish dryer. The bicycle wheel can be fixed in a horizontal position and equipped with hooks for rails. It will turn out to be a rather non-standard structure on which pots and pans can be placed. Decor for a garden plot. Wheels are perfect for creating original jewelry. For example, a beautiful stained glass window will turn out with the help of bright pieces of glass located between the spokes. If you don't want to bother with glass, there is an even more affordable solution. Scraps of multicolored cloth are wrapped around the spokes, then the wheel is dug into the ground on a bicycle fork. Gusts of wind will turn the wheel, which will create an original kaleidoscope effect. Country clock. An interesting solution would be to create a clockwork mechanism on a bicycle wheel. Light portable watches are easy enough to make with your own hands. The wheel is located in a vertical plane. Large numbers are glued to it, and the clock mechanism is installed in the center. The result will be a large and expressive clock that can be used both at home and on the site. A corner for photo shoots and relaxation. A beautiful and romantic design will turn out from a bicycle wheel attached to the branches of a tree. Transparent jars and garlands should be hung on the spokes. Candles or other cute objects can be placed inside. The design, complemented by a homemade garden lamp, is perfect for quiet meditation, bright photo shoots, or a cozy holiday with family or friends. The romantic corner also offers dates and quiet family evenings in the fresh air.